It is difficult for many of us to create regular YouTube content for a channel. This could be due to a variety of factors such as time, equipment, or skills. Making money on YouTube is a pipe dream for many people. After all, YouTubers look to enjoy a wonderful life and the love of their admirers. Starting a YouTube channel is easier than ever. There's no harm in dreaming big and setting lofty goals. However, while launching a YouTube channel is simple, turning it into a money machine is not. You may earn your first $100 by selling something or securing a sponsorship arrangement, but optimizing earnings necessitates understanding all of your possibilities before diving in. YouTube has become a popular way to make money, but you might not have realized that it's possible to do it without ever creating a video. In this video, I will show you simple different ways to make money on YouTube without creating your own content just by re-uploading videos and with help of affiliate marketing. Before we proceed further in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel to get unique and easy money-making ideas. Method number 1. Uploading shorts. For this purpose, you just have to create a YouTube channel, which is super easy. After making a YouTube channel, you just have to open TikTok, where you have to download some famous TikTok and simply upload them to your channel. We know this kind of channel does not monetize. So the question here is how we will make money. All we need is to first grow our YouTube channel. If you have time, you can do this by yourself. If you are a busy person, then you can hire someone else to upload a video for you. This kind of channel gets a lot of views. You can easily grow your channel within a month. Now the way we will make money and the way other people make money for their channels is by promoting things, not in these YouTube shorts, because no one is actually going to check like description box or whatsoever, but through the community tabs, because your channel is big, it has a massive reach. Whatever you post on the community tab is going to get viewers or going to get clicks, and it's going to get attention. So brands and companies are also willing to pay a lot to be mentioned in your community post. Who can sell shoutouts? For example, some YouTuber wants to get promoted on your channel and they pay you like $500 for a community post, and you just post it out there, and that's how you make money. Or you can also promote your own appeal. Different kinds of channels are doing so and are making handsome amounts of money. You are not required to develop a product. You are not required to develop a website or a sales page, nor are you required to supply the goods or services. You only need to drive visitors to your affiliate link. And if someone signs up through a link, you will get a commission, and that is all you have to do. Do you start posting your affiliate links in the community part and hope to make sales if you locate the correct offers, promote them, and know how to design a great call to action? That is exactly how these channels work. Plus, you can also promote your own affiliate offers and different CPA offer. And you can make thousands of dollars easily. But if you genuinely know what you're doing, take it seriously, and do it consistently for a couple of weeks or a month, you may get a lot of views. For example, if you know how to do it correctly, you can probably develop a channel from 0 to over 100,000 views in a few months. Believe me, such kinds of channels grow very easily. To grow such kinds of channels is not a big job. You just have to show consistency. Method number 2. The main idea is that you go to YouTube, download videos, re-upload them to your channel, and then monetize and profit from them. And in this way, you can earn money from YouTube without ever having to create a video. Have you ever watched a YouTube video where the person doesn't even show their face? More than likely, the answer to that question is yes. But I'm sure you didn't realize that these types of videos can produce a lot of money. Most of these channels aren't even original in the sense that they're simply changing other people's videos. So, basically, these channels go out and grab videos from YouTube, re-upload them on their own channel, and then monetize those videos by putting adverts on them. Is this legal now? And the answer is yes, if it falls under something called fair use. To make your video fit under the fair use policy, you just have to do a voiceover on the videos by using your mobile phone, or you can hire someone else from different sites to do this job for just $5. Step 1. Create your channel. If you're watching this, you probably already have a YouTube account. Step 2. Choosing a niche. The top niches I recommend are the top 10 channels, tech channels, the psychology niche, meditation channels, scary videos, and luxury and financial channels. Currently, you can find examples of successful channels in all of these niches. Therefore, once you've decided on a niche and created your channel, be sure to include a logo in the channel art so that it appears professional and like a legitimate brand. This guarantees that your channel has the most official appearance possible. Step 3. Monetize your channel. By enrolling in something called the YouTube Partner Program, you can directly monetize on YouTube and place advertisements on your videos. YouTube will run ads alongside your videos, with a certain portion of the revenue going to you. And the two things you need to get monetized are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Step 4. Get content. Where can I actually find content to use in my videos, you may be wondering. I'm going to show you some of the locations where you can find content for your videos. The top spot is found on YouTube itself. Simply go to YouTube and search in your niche. The number 2 place you can get content to use in your videos is free stock footage websites. You can make psychology videos with the voiceover on top of free stock footage. And if you actually want to make more money on YouTube and you don't want to wait to get 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time or to get monetized, you can actually make a lot more money by adding affiliate links to the descriptions of your YouTube videos. You can include affiliate links to related products in your videos depending on the niche in which you're producing them. So where can you find these affiliate products? Well, I recommend clickbank.com, digitalstore24.com, and the Amazon affiliate program. Advertisers, brands, companies, product owners, etc. will pay Google to advertise on YouTube. Then when Google displays those ads on YouTube videos, YouTubers, through Google AdSense, will be paid a certain amount per 1,000 ad views, CPM or cost per mil. CPM in simple words is how much YouTubers will be paid per 1,000 ad views on their videos. This all depends on your niche. Here's our list of the best YouTube niches based on the average CPM from YouTubers on each niche. Make money online. Social media marketing. Finance and investing. Educational videos. Photography and filmmaking. Cars. Lifestyle. Fashion and clothing. Entertainment. Cooking. Method number 3. Create meditation videos. There are a lot of different channels earning millions just by uploading meditation videos. You can check just by searching meditation videos on the YouTube search bar. There are millions of views on such kinds of videos. People love to watch such kinds of videos just to relax. Let me teach you how to make such kinds of videos. Step 1. You just have to open free footage stock providing website. Download videos according to your niche. For this purpose, you can use Pixabay, Pexels, Cover Video. Step 2. Search copyright-free music providing websites. Download music. Combine music and video just with help of your mobile phone or any source you have. Upload and optimize your video and start earning money. You can also earn extra money with help of different affiliate links or just by promoting different products and other YouTube channels. If you want to be successful on YouTube, be consistent and have patience. The only secret to success on YouTube is consistency. YouTube is more popular than ever before yet. Despite your worst fears, it's not too late to jump on board and start uploading. There's never been a better moment than right now to start that channel. So, start it today to be a future millionaire. Thanks for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.